As you can see, I do not have points actually laid out for me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them. There's one at 0, 0. There's one at 10, 20. So I'm going to actually write this in. There's one at 20, 40. There's one at 40, 80. And there's one at 50, 100. And again, we're looking for where that line is actually where the grid makes a like a intersection. We have like a perpendicular line because you can't figure it out. It's not as easy with like partial units. So from here, I have my table. I'm going to do what I did on the last page. I'm going to look for patterns with X and Y. X I can tell just by looking at it that it kind of skipped around. Maybe because I missed something, but I can kind of tell, like, here, I'll show you this. If you go from 0 to 10, you have plus 10. From 10 to 20 is plus 10. From 20 to 40, I skipped one. There should be a 30 in there, so I'm just going to add it in. And that'd be plus 10, and then plus 10 would be 40. And then from 40 to 50 is plus 10. Because again, I think when I did this, I actually skipped this right here. So if you make that mistake, you can just kind of fill in the holes just using your number sense. From 0 to 20, I have 20. From 20 to 40, I have 20. Again, this is where I skipped. So using my brain, 40 and 20, I gotta go with it. It's 30, it should be 60. Again, I know that because over here, that was 60. And then 60 to 80 is 20, and then 80 to 100 is 20. So, K equals Y divided by X. My change in Y was 20 throughout, and the change in X was 10. And I can simplify that. 20 divided by 10 is the unit rate of 2. So, with that knowledge, I can plug that into the equation y equals k times x by replacing k with 2. So y equals 2 times x, or y equals 2x. And again, checking my answers, I'm going to erase some of the prior work just to give myself some room. And I'm going to check using the table. So I'm just going to go for the biggie, 50 and 100. 100 is y, so 100 equals 2 times x, which is 50, and that's true, because 2 times 50 is 100. And I'll do one more, actually pick 0, 0. Y, oops, I know y is 0. Y is 0 equals 2 times 0, and anything times 0 is 0, so no, that is correct. So now we have concluded 3.1. I hope that this makes things a little bit easier, and again, ideally you can watch these at home and pause them whenever you want, and use them to complete your assignments. And again, if you have computer access at home, you can be watching the videos for homework and then just utilizing that class time for one-on-one help as needed. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.